Today we are going to learn about risk management when investing in equity funds. Without right investment strategy, investing can turn into gambling. It is absolutely essential as an investor to know how to manage and reduce risks effectively before investing in equity funds. We have our Chief Financial Planner Mr. Ramalingam with us. Mr. Ramalingam, could you please explain how to manage and reduce risk when investing in equity funds?
When you are investing in an equity mutual fund, the first thing, don't invest your short-term money. Invest only your long-term money. Long-term money in the sense 7 years plus kind of money. Within 7 years is basically a market cycle, a recession, recovery, boom, market up, down, crash, election, all those things will be completed. So if you wait for 7 years time frame, you will get an average or above average return. Definitely you will get. The possibility of you getting negative return is very low, number one. Number two, when you are investing in equity mutual fund, don't invest at one single go. I would suggest you to stagger your investments, like doing an SIP or STP kind of thing. You can do it. Then number three, do asset allocation. See, like 70% of money in equity, 30% of fixed income, you are doing it. If someone would have done that in 2019, 70% in equity and 30% in fixed income, in 2020, market has crashed by 38%. So after the crash, if you look at it, the ratio will not be 70-30, could have become 60-40. So maybe now you have to rebalance it to 70-30 again. Now you continue. In October 21, if you could have looked at, maybe your equity could have overgrown to 85 and that 15%. Now again rebalance it. So this way you will be able to control overall risk in your equity mutual fund and also in your overall portfolio.
If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.